So is there actually exist a notebook where you wrote down asteroid mining?
No, back then I used Trello. Yeah, but now I don't really. I use Telegram. I write it on like saved messages, and I have like idea. I write
You
it down.
type to yourself on Telegram.
Like because you use WhatsApp, right? I think so. You have like message to yourself thing also. Yeah, so
you're
like
talking to yourself on Telegram.
Yeah, you use like a notepad to not forget stuff, and then I pin it.
I love how like you're not using super complicated systems or whatever. People use Obsidian now. There's a lot of these a Notion where you have systems for note taking. You're Notepad. You're Notepad.exe guy if you're a Windows user.
Man, I saw some YouTubers doing this like. There's a lot of these productivity gurus also, and they do this whole like iPad with a pencil. And then I also had an iPad, and I also got the pencil, and I got this app where you can like draw on paper, like draw like a calendar, like students use this, and you can do coloring and stuff. And I'm like, dude, I did this for a week, and then I'm like, what am I doing with my life? Like, I could just write it as a message to myself, and it's good enough,